Are you stuck wondering which Scrum Master certification is worth your time and money? Or worried about choosing the wrong one for your career? With so many options out there like CSM, PSM, etc., it can get overwhelming. But don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through the best Scrum Master certifications, their pros and cons, and which one is perfect for your role. Before going forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. There are two major certification authorities. Scrum Alliance and Scrum.org. Both are legitimate, but they have their differences, and the one you choose could impact your future job opportunities. Let's explore what each has to offer. Scrum Alliance. First up, we have Scrum Alliance. This is the oldest and most popular Scrum certification provider. Their certifications, like the Certified Scrum Master (CSM), are globally recognized, especially in countries like the USA, UK, Singapore, and India. In fact, Scrum Alliance was the first to offer formalized Scrum training, and they've maintained their reputation over the years. But here's something important to know: you must attend a training workshop led by an approved trainer to earn the certificate. There's no way around it: no workshop, no certification. For the CSM, there is an exam, but don't worry, it's designed to be very passable. You can check out our How to Pass CSM exam video for important tips. One thing to keep in mind is that Scrum Alliance doesn't offer any foundation courses. They dive straight into role-specific certifications like Certified Scrum Product Owner (CSPO) or Certified Scrum Developer (CSD), so it's crucial to know which role you want to pursue before enrolling in a workshop. Next up is Scrum.org. This certification authority offers some of the most highly rated Scrum courses out there, like the Professional Scrum Master (PSM) and Professional Scrum Product Owner (PSPO). Unlike Scrum Alliance, training isn't mandatory with Scrum.org. You can take the exam directly, but here's the most important thing: PSM is much harder to pass. You need to score 85% or higher, and it's no walk in the park. That's why even though training isn't required, it's highly recommended, especially for newcomers to Agile and Scrum. Now, why isn't Scrum.org as popular as Scrum Alliance? Well, they got into the game later, but they're growing fast, especially in Europe and among serious Agile practitioners. PSM and PSPO are tough certifications, and many companies value these certifications for people who are serious about Scrum. How to choose the right certification. So, which certification should you choose? It really depends on your career goals and current role. If you're a Scrum Master or want to become one, the Certified Scrum Master (CSM) or Professional Scrum Master (PSM) is best for you. CSM is easier, but PSM is more respected for its difficulty. If you're a product owner or work in management, go for the Certified Scrum Product Owner (CSPO) or Professional Scrum Product Owner (PSPO). The CSPO doesn't require an exam, while the PSPO requires an 85% pass rate. For developers, testers, or architects, there are options like Certified Scrum Developer (CSD) or Professional Scrum Developer (PSD). CSD is a 2-day workshop with no exam, while PSD requires passing a tough assessment. But here's a quick tip: if you're just getting started with Scrum or Agile, you might want to look into Scrum.org's Applying Professional Scrum (APS) course. It's a solid entry point if you're not sure which role fits you best. Conclusion. In today's Agile world, having the right Scrum certification is like carrying a passport. It opens doors to new opportunities. Whether you choose CSM, PSM, or any other path, the key is to start your learning journey today. And remember, certifications aren't just about passing exams, they're about mastering skills that help teams succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Comment below and let us know which certification you're planning to take. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next one.